What's up, guys? 5:37 a.m.
All right, guys, it's 6:30 a.m. I'm heading to the gym. All right, I made it to the gym. It's cold and windy out here, so I'm gonna get inside. All right, guys, it's 7:30 a.m. I got the gym knocked out. Heading back to the car. Time to get the day started. I want to be productive this week. I've been lollygagging around with e-commerce and stuff because of Black Friday happening. I need to get this stuff going. Back on the streets on the golf cart. Brand new day. It's windy out here. I got the baby sleeping. I'm going to try to film the second half of this second part of the Shopify video. I'm sorry it's taking me so long, honestly. Never mind. I got her all dressed up. We're going to go hit the streets. We're going to go walk. Looking kind of depressed, so we're going to take him with us. You want to go walk, dude? Come on. Get your shoes. Come on. You better not turn this into... 10 minutes in, dude. It's hectic as hell. The baby's crying. The dog's pulling the thing. I can't hold the stroller. If anyone that has a baby, they know what I'm talking about when the baby doesn't want to sit in the stroller. She's trying to push herself out of the stroller. So I got to care. Oh, now you're happy. Now you're happy. He's happy too. I guess everybody's happy. Oh, there's a truck behind me. All right, guys, I'm getting back on the streets. All right, guys, I'm working at Barnes & Noble. Working on the laptop. Alright, guys, just finished working inside Barnes & Noble. Got all the kids. Let's get this bad boy back on the street. Guys, getting in the truck. Going to do more kid activities. I got my coffee and water. Fire this thing up. We get on back on the streets. I got low tires in this one too.
What's up, guys? Brand new day, 5:31 a.m.
Alright, guys, I'm going to hit the gym. It's 40 degrees outside for Florida, man. This is, feels like I'm in Antarctica. I've got long sleeves and sweatpants on. Let's fire this beast up. Oh, turbos! It's gonna be nice with the cold weather. I can't find my headphones. Here they are. In the truck. Man, I'm all over the place this morning. I'm driving around, I got the hood open. Alright, guys, just finished at the gym, getting back in the 911. Back on the streets on the golf cart. Still stacking my dividend income. I'll give you guys a little dividend income update soon. Trying to get the financial freedom through boring, time-tested dividends. Alright, guys, getting back in the car. It's got black PPF, so don't hate on me. Alright, the car wash is done. Now I'm hitting the Starbucks with the laptop. It's Black Friday. I haven't barely done anything compared to the prior years. I'm really slacking this year, but I'm kind of just going with the flow. Alright, guys, just finished working in Starbucks. Man, I've been looking at basketball collectible memorabilia. I gotta say, it's fun to look at. Now I'm about to go get some flowers because tomorrow's the day that my wife and I started dating. We remember the date that we started dating, so I'm gonna get her flowers. But I'm gonna have to hide them somewhere, and hopefully they don't die within 24 hours because it's so cold out. If I gotta keep them in my garage or something. 222 angel numbers. Let's get back on the streets. Alright, guys, made it back to the house. Back on the streets on the golf cart. I'm walking with her right now, and it gets real hectic real quick because I don't have the right strap, so she's not strapped in because I got to adjust it. But like all of a sudden she'll freak out and she'll start pushing herself out. Alright, guys, back on the streets. It's like 50 degrees out here in Florida, which feels like to me like 20. Alright, guys, playing our second round of basketball. Alright, guys, back at the house cooking bacon. It's like my wife cooked it. I just took it out of the oven. This is what I'm eating for dinner, just ground beef and bacon. Like five burgers in there. Alright, I'm in the garage trying to get these damn flowers in this vase so she doesn't know I have them. But I don't want them to die, so I can keep them out here overnight. in Russia, if you give a girl an even number of flowers, it's bad luck. So if you get a dozen roses, you got to take one and throw it away. Just a little heads up if you guys didn't know that. If you're talking to a Russian girl. I got 2 shades of roses and put them together so it has like a nice look. Even numbers are reserved for like funerals.
What is up, guys? 5:40 a.m. Brand new day. 43 degrees outside.
All right, I'm gonna go hit the gym before the sun comes up. It's still dark outside. Well, not really, but it's coming up. Porsche cold start. All right, guys, I made it to the gym. Now I just gotta push myself to get in there and start working out. All right, guys, just finished at the gym. I'm feeling pretty dialed in. I'm feeling good. Getting back on track. I was slightly dialed. Now I'm feeling, well, I was rarely dialed. Now I'm feeling slightly dialed. Oh, if I could get in the car. Got the laptop. I gotta go back to the house. And then I'm hitting the streets. Dude, the turbos love the cold weather. You can hear them whistling Dixie. Woohoo! Got a little squirrely.
Ooh. All right. Woo. This is light work. Come on, spill the tea. Ooh. All right. Woo. This is light work.